If I make a wrong decision, I worry what might have been. I stress out over very insignificant things.
Hey, photo kid.
Me?
New shoes. New shirts, new hair. Yeah, he's new. You're not much of a talker, are you? I saw some of your photos. Pretty shit, I think.
Oh, hey man. What's up? How was your day?
It was alright. These dudes tried to beat the shit out of me earlier, but it was alright.
Yeah, that's Doug. He's a major ass.
Oh,
Oh, I didn't catch your name earlier. What was it?
it's Jason. What's yours?
Eli. I was wondering if you had an Instagram.
Yeah.
I'd like to see some of your stuff. You know, I'm also trying to get into the photography thing. I like to film some small projects, like different clients. Is everything okay?
I gotta go. I'll catch up with you. Yeah. Bye.
Why can't I make it? Why can't I be good? Why can't I win? Why don't I just quit? 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 Why don't I just quit?
Fuck you! And?
Why don't I just quit?